Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H7 Smartwatch. It is the latest wearable in the market with an affordable price. It is also one of the latest Laxasfit powered smartwatch. On this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of its design, the specs, the dimension, as well as the UI. So if you are interested to get the H7 smartwatch, watch this video first and decide whether this wearable is for you or not. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore, have the unboxing review of the H7 smartwatch. So this is the packaging, very simple. We don't have any details here on the specs, only that we have the QR code for the Laxasfit application. That's it. Okay, very simple packaging here. But anyway, let's check out the contents of the wearable. Let's remove the plastic here. After this, after this video, we'll check the features included in the Laxasfit H7 smartwatch. And let's remove the plastic. Again, this is the packaging of the H7 smartwatch, and we do have the silver color. Let's check out the contents. So we have, the contents are, we have the user manual, we have a flexible silicone strap. I like the design here. It looks like a leather, but it is a silicone strap with a quick release pin, and it is wireless charging, USB type A, and of course we have here the smartwatch. Yes, it is a metal body frame. Again, we have the smartwatch, we have the strap, we have a wireless charging cable with a USB type A, and we have the user manual. Okay, then next, let's check out the wearable. Let's have the dimension first and the weight before we attach the strap. After this, we will check out the design. For the width here, it is around 41.1. Okay, then for the length, we have 54.6 or 55. Then for the thickness, we do have 11.8. Then for the body frame without the strap attached, it is a bit heavy. I think it is around 50. Okay, my guess is around 50. 41.66 again. Then with the strap attached, it is 56.29. Okay, next, let's have the design, then after we'll have the specifications. Going to attach the strap first so we can appreciate the design of the wearable. Okay, the next, let's have this one. Okay, very easy to attach. And let's remove the cover here. Okay, so as you can see here, the screen display is curved. The top frame is curved, but on the bottom part it is flat. Okay, We do have a crown button here and a pill-shaped button on the side. We have a silver color with a brush finish. I don't like the quality of the paint here, but I think it's just okay. The design is okay, much better compared to other curved smartwatches. We have a plastic back cover here without any branding. We have the speaker, flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. Again, for the design, so this is the design of the wearable. Let's turn it on and we'll check out the specs. Okay, we still have battery left. Okay, for the specifications, I'm going to put it here. We have 2.01 inch IPS LCD screen, 240 by 296 pixel resolution. Again, 240 by 296 pixel resolution, Bluetooth 5.1, and we have 200 mAh battery. It is powered by Laxasfit Support App. Again, 2.01 inch IPS and with the Laxasfit application, available on Android and iOS. Check it out here. So we have, let's see if this is rotary. Yes, it is a rotary button. And this one, I think it is just a return button. Let's see. Yes, it is a return button. For the UI, okay, so we're done with the specifications. For the UI, on top we have notifications. On the bottom part, we have a dashboard here for common apps. One dashboard for popular applications here. We have sports, health. We have the widgets on the left side or on the right side with an option to add one. Then to access the menu, just press the power button here. Okay. Seems like the power button here is getting stuck. Okay, do you hear that sound? Okay. So that's it for our H7 Smartwatch. An affordable smartwatch with a curved body frame, wireless charging, and with a sporty design. If you have any questions regarding the wearable, drop a comment below. And let's watch for our second video, the review of its menus and features. Again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.